Are you ready to discover the secret to making money while you relax, watch TV, or simply go about your day? In this video, we are about to unveil a selection of free apps that allow you to earn cash doing absolutely nothing. It's the ultimate way to generate passive income and boost your earnings effortlessly. Whether you're looking for an extra income stream or just want to enjoy the freedom of making money without any effort, these apps are the answer. Stay tuned as we delve into how you can start earning cash without lifting a finger. Let's unlock the power of these fresh apps and watch your income grow.
Copyright disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976. Allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Nonprofit, educational, or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use.
Let's dive into it and explore an exciting app known as Mode Mobile, which has the power to transform your smartphone into an Earn phone using their innovative Earn OS. This platform has not only revolutionized the way we used our mobile devices, but has also allowed users to accumulate substantial earnings, with a staggering $150 million earned and saved by its enthusiastic user base. What's even more impressive is that the fact that this app has garnered a whopping 2 million users who have left resounding 5-star reviews on its Google Play Store page. It's not just users who recognize the potential here. Investors from all corners of the globe have poured over $40 million into this project. The core concept of Mode Mobile is simple but revolutionary. Users can earn a substantial amount, up to $1,200 annually, by engaging in a variety of everyday activities. A quick glance at their offerings reveals a plethora of ways to pocket extra cash, including listening to music, playing games, tracking your fitness, charging your phone, shopping, browsing the web, keeping up with the latest news, completing tasks, watching videos, and so much more. To tap into the money-making potential of this app, all you need to do is download it from the Google Play Store. The app you'll be redirected to is aptly named Make Money, Play, and Earn Cash, and its doorway to a world of financial opportunities. Mode Earn app, previously known as Current Rewards, is a place where you can turn your spare time into real cash rewards by participating in play-to-earn games and enjoying music. This application brings forth a fantastic opportunity to not only enhance your mobile experience, but also to monetize your daily activities. It's a game changer in the realm of mobile apps, opening up new horizons for anyone seeking to earn extra income effortlessly. Now let's shift our attention to the second app in our lineup, Packet Share. To get started with this exciting opportunity, simply visit their website at packetshare.io. The best part? You don't need to jump through hoops to kickstart your earnings. The moment you enter the Packet Share universe, a delightful surprise awaits you, an instant $5 reward. All it takes is a swift process of downloading, installing, and running their application, and just like that, you've earned yourself $5. No strings attached. It's a hassle-free way to kickstart your journey to earning some extra cash. But that is just the beginning. PacketShare offers a genuinely user-friendly approach to generating income. All you need to do is install their application in your device and sign up for an account. No intricate operations required. From there, you will be all set to start making money by sharing your internet connection, setting you on the path for continual earnings that you can withdraw at any time. It's a seamless, secure, and effortless way to generate passive income right from your own device. PacketShare is currently compatible with both Windows PC and Android phones, making it accessible to a broad user base. What's more, they have ambitious plans to expand their app's availability to other platforms like Mac, iOS, and even Linux, ensuring that as many individuals as possible can benefit from this ingenious income-generating solution. So, how do you get started? It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. By installing the app on your device, registering for an account, logging in, and connecting it to the internet. Begin by installing the app on your device. Register for an account, log in, and connect it to the internet. Once you've completed this simple step, you're ready to run Packet Share. One of the standout features of Packet Share is its impressive earning potential. Users can rake in as much as $50 per gigabyte, providing a fantastic incentive to make the most of this platform. Additionally, they have implemented a referral program that allows you to invite your friends using a unique referral code. This not only introduces them to the world of Packet Share, but also lets you earn 10% of their traffic earnings indefinitely. It's a win-win scenario that encourages you to share this fantastic income opportunity with your network. With Packet Share, you're not just tapping into a way to earn extra cash, you're gaining access to a flexible, secure, and lucrative avenue for passive income that adapts to your existing online habits. It's a testament to the ever-expanding opportunities available in the digital age, and it's as simple as downloading an app and connecting to the internet.
Wait a minute, have you been enjoying this video so far? If your answer is yes, then this is the perfect time to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it yet. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell to get you notified on our future uploads. Now let's get back to the video.
Now let's delve into the third app on your list, Tapestry. To explore what Tapestry has to offer, simply visit their official website at tapestry.io. Tapestry provides a unique platform where you can leverage your data to generate income. This innovative app works quietly in the background, enabling users to effortlessly earn money from their data. In essence, Tapestry allows you to generate passive income without lifting a finger. All you need to do is download the app, complete the sign-up process, and agree to their terms and conditions. There are no tiresome surveys to complete, no involvement in affiliate marketing. In fact, no active effort is required. Your earnings accrue simply by allowing Tapestry to run quietly in the background. To get started, enter your email on the provided form and hit the button. Tapestry will promptly send you an email containing the link to their app, giving you the green light to begin earning with ease. Now let's move on to the fourth app in our lineup, Generate. Generate is all about putting your data to work for you. This app has garnered recognition from notable sources like Lad Bible, Sky News, Metro, BBC, Forbes, and more. The premise is simple, yet enticing. You can earn from your data across various platforms such as Google, Safari, Amazon, and more, all while engaging in your everyday web browsing activities. Generate goes beyond just making you money. It also acts as a protective shield against trackers and disruptive ads, allowing you to browse the web in peace. It rewards you for your browsing activities with a range of options, including Tesco vouchers, Amazon vouchers, Spotify vouchers, Netflix vouchers, and even a chance to make charitable donations. With Generate, you can make your data work for you and gain from your online navigation. This app has already gained the trust of over 500,000 users who find it both rewarding and satisfying. Lastly, let's explore the fifth and final app on our list, Abaku. This newcomer in the world of data monetization offers an experience akin to the previous two apps we've introduced. With Abaku, you seize control of your data and convert it into an income. You can readily acquire this app from either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Taking a glance at their Google Play Store page, it's clear to see that Abaku is off to an excellent start with over 4.6 star ratings. Though it currently boasts a user base of around 100,000, this app is relatively new, promising ample opportunities for early adopters to tap into its potential. Being a newcomer, Abaku is eager to distribute substantial earnings to its users, so don't hesitate to explore all the apps we've presented to seize a chance of earning swift cash online. The beauty of these apps is that they allow you to generate income without any active effort on your part. It's the perfect opportunity to make the most of your data and gain financially, even when you're not actively engaged with these apps.
And that's it for today. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell to get you notified on our future uploads.